Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are well. So, student, in our previous video, we are discussing types of houses. So, before watching the video, take out your book, open page number 54 and take one rough copy and pencil. At the time when you are watching the video, student, if note down the important points from the board, and in your rough copy you also write the date 29/7/2020, chapter number 10. So date wise you can revise in which date we have studied which part of the which topic of the chapter. Okay student, so take one pencil also, note down the important points from the board, and even student you can note down your doubts also, and you can ask your doubts in online doubt session classes. Is it clear? Now see student, let recapitulate what we have done in our previous video. So student, in our previous video we are discussing special types of houses, and three important points we have discussed. What are the conditions, what are the factors on which the houses are built. Okay, so we discussed 3 points on which factors the house are made. For example, climate of the place. Is it clear? In shortcut, for example, climate of the place. Is it clear? Second, what are the materials available? What are the materials available? What are the materials available? Okay, for in that place. And another thing is that money that a person can spend. Money that a person can spend. So students, these are the factors on which the different types of houses are made. That is climate of the place, material available in that area, and next is how much money a person can spend. So after that student, we discuss about the stilt houses. We discuss stilt after that student, we discuss stilt houses. So student, let's revise it. Where we find these stilt houses? We find these stilt houses where there is a heavy rainfall throughout the year. Is it clear? Heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall. So where you will see student these stilt houses, these houses you will see in that area where it heavy rainfall throughout the year. So when there is a lot of rainfall, it means that water in the rivers also increase, and due to this the condition which arises, that condition is of a floods. That condition is of a floods. ठीक है, जब रिवर्स में बहुत ज्यादा वाटर हो जाता है एंड इट स्टार्ट कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द रिवर्स एंड ऑल द एरिया इट सबमर्ज्ड बाय द वाटर. मतलब क्या होता है कि जब रिवर्स में वाटर बढ़ जाता है, ओवरफ्लो होने लगता है रिवर्स में, तो इस कंडीशन को फ्लड्स बोलते हैं, बाढ़ आ जाना. ठीक है, सो इन दिस कंडीशन the water comes out from the river and it cover the surface around the river area. Okay, and for example, if houses are built on the ground in these types of area where you have a very heavy rainfall and every year floods comes, जहां बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है और हर साल क्या आती है, बाढ़ आती है, तो in this types of area if you build a houses on the ground, then student what happens, the water of the river or this rain water will enter inside the house. पानी क्या होगा, वाटर के अंदर आ जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? अगर घर कहां पे होंगे, ग्राउंड्स में होंगे. इज इट क्लियर? सो it damage the house also and it also destroy or damage all the things which are inside the house also. So student, in these types of area people's built which type of a houses, that is are known as stilt houses. And you want to know in India where we built these types of a houses, that is Assam. That is Assam. So in Assam, this is an area of a part of India. In this area people build houses, that houses are known as stilt houses. And what are stilt houses? They raise the level of the house with the help of a wood. Is it clear? They raise the level of the house with the help of a wood. It means that they give support with the wood, and on that wood they make the houses. On that wood they make the houses, and how they can go inside the house and outside the house, they do it by the stairs. सीढ़ियां लगा देते हैं उसमें, ऊपर घर के अंदर जाने में और नीचे जाने में. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सी on page number 54 picture is given. See this picture. In this picture you will see this is the stilt house and it is from the ground, how the house is raised from the ground with the help of the wood. Now what happens student, at the time due to rain water, when the floods will come, रेन वाटर की वजह से जब बाढ़ आएगी तो ये जो वाटर है, देखो ये घर कितने ज्यादा हाइट पे है. इज इट क्लियर? सो वाटर क्या नीचे से चला जाएगा, वाटर कहाँ इंटर नहीं करेगा, हाउसेस में इंटर नहीं करेगा. इवन इन द पिक्चर यू आर सीइंग देयर इज ए स्टेयर, एक सीढ़ी है. दिस इज यूज फॉर मूविंग इनसाइड एंड आउटसाइड द हाउस. सो सी दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ द स्टिल्ट हाउस. Now see student, after that the house. Now I think this is clear to all of you that what are stilt houses. These are houses built in those area where there is a heavy rainfall. These houses are built in those area where we have a heavy rainfall. Is it clear student? And now another thing is that the house is raised, as I show you in the picture, with the help of the wood, so that when there is overflow of a water, this water will move from below and this water will not enter inside the house, and people are using stair to enter inside the house. Is it clear? So that is the whole explanation of the stilt houses. Now after that, let us see on page number 54 what are igloos. Now we will discuss igloos houses. So student, now the question arises where we find these types of a houses? Okay, question arises where we find these types of a houses. Now see, let see student, in snow covered areas which are very cold, houses are made of with a blocks of ice and snow. These houses are found in Greenland and Antarctica. Is it clear? So student, these types of houses are found in that area where the weather is very cold. It means in all the time you will see the land is covered with the snow all the time. Weather is very cold near the poles. Okay, when in your higher classes, when you will study earth in detail, then you will understand what is north pole and what is the south pole. Okay, so just for your understanding, you keep this thing in your mind that near the poles the climate is very cold. Is it clear? Now see student, what happened in this area? In this area the people make the houses with the snow which is available. क्योंकि एक जगह मैंने तुम्हें बताया था ना, house climate on the condition, and it also depends on what material available in that area. So here all the time you will see snow, so that is the reason they make the houses with the help of a snow or ice block. They are making the houses with the help of a snow or ice blocks. ठीक है, these houses are found in Greenland and Antarctica. Now see student, when you will study in your higher classes about the earth, then you will understand there are 7 continents. What is the meaning of the word continents? Means there on the earth. I explained you in this chapter also, in the previous chapter also I explained you what in water a wonderful liquid. 72% of the earth surface, 72% of the earth surface, 72% of the earth surface is covered with water. Okay, so these continents are huge masses of land. ठीक है, अर्थ पे 7 प्लेसेस ऐसी हैं जहां लैंड है, बाकी पूरा क्या है, वाटर है. यही कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं. You are understanding what I am saying? Rest of 72% of the earth surface is covered with water. Okay, so if you see the picture of your globe, then you will find there are 7 places where we find the land. 7 places है जहां पे land है, जमीन है. Is it clear? So student, these are known as continents. These are known as continents. Okay, for example, we are living in which country? We are living in country India. So we are living in which continent? We are living in Asia continent. We are living in Asia continent. Okay, and there are 7 continents: Asia, France, North and South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. These are the 7 continents. Okay, so student, so Antarctica, it is given, it is a continent which is all the time this is covered with the snow. So peoples who are living in this area, they are making igloos. It means house which is made of a snow. House which is made of a snow. See, you see the picture also. It is given in the book. See, observe the picture of igloos. This is the picture of a igloos, house which is made of the snow. And see the shape of the house. See the shape of the house. Now see student on the board. Okay, these type of houses you will see in this area. Okay, these are houses. These houses are known as igloos. Okay, and the shape, this shape, see this shape, I show you with the help of a arrow. This shape is known as dome shaped house. Is it clear? This shape is known as, ये जो shape इसकी ली गई है, ठीक है, so this shape is known as dome shaped house, and these houses are found in those regions where you will see the land is covered with the snow. So these are their houses which are made of snow. Is it clear? Now after that we will study house boats. See on page number 54. Now see the picture. First of all, see the picture of a houseboat. It is shown in the book, page number 54. See, this is a picture. Okay, now see student, this is a house which is on the water. हाउस ऑन वाटर, ठीक है, जो हाउस बोट है, व्हेन वी डिस्कस दिस स्टूडेंट, व्हाई द नेम ऑफ द हाउस, व्हाई द नेम ऑफ द हाउस इज हाउस बोट्स, व्हाई इट्स नेम इज हाउस बोट्स, बिकॉज यू नो दैट वेयर यू विल फाइंड द बोट. बोट मतलब नाव होती है ना, जो आपने रिवर में देखी होगी, वाटर बॉडीज में, ठीक है, रिवर्स में आपने बोट देखी होगी. सो स्टूडेंट, बोट्स आर विच दे आर इन वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. दैट इज अ वेयर यू विल सी boats are floating on the water, and this is a water transport. And if we are talking about the land transport, you will see buses moving on the road, different vehicles, motorcycle, car, truck, rickshaw, all these things are moving on the road. So these are the moving houses which are on the water. These are moving houses which are on the water. That is the reason we say it is a houseboats. Okay, so see student, what facilities, if you, these are the houses on the boats, what facilities are in your house in which you are living, all that types of facilities are available in these types of a houseboats. You are understanding what I am saying? जैसे जिस घर में हम लोग रहते हैं, तो अपने जो जो चीजों की हमें जरूरत होती है, सारी चीजें हमारे घर में होती है ना. इन द सेम मैनर ये जो हाउस बोट्स हैं, बोट्स पे जो हाउसेज हैं, दे हैव ऑल्सो ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ ए फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल इन द हाउस बोट. These are house on the boat and they move on water and they move on water. Now the student question arises, where you will find these types of houses. So you will find these houseboats is a very attractive फॉर द टूरिस्ट. जो लोग घूमने जाते हैं उनके लिए बहुत ही आकर्षण का केंद्र है ये हाउस बोट्स. इज इट क्लियर? सो जनरली आप इसे कश्मीर में these हाउस बोट्स यू विल फाइंड इन कश्मीर एंड केरला. ठीक है, कश्मीर और केरल में आपको ये हाउस बोट्स देखने को मिलेंगे, कश्मीर और केरल में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज अ बोट एंड ऑन दिस बोट देयर इज अ हाउस. ओके, सो फॉर एंड ऑल द थिंग्स आर अवेलेबल इन these types of houses. Okay, so these type of houses you will find in Kashmir and Kerala. So this is a very attractive for the tourist मतलब वो लोग होते हैं बेटा जो बाहर से, जैसे आप लोग गर्मी की छुट्टी होती है या कोई छुट्टियां पड़ती हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स आपको कहीं घुमाने ले जाते हैं ना, तो दैट इज द रीजन कश्मीर एंड केरल में आपको इस तरह के हाउसेस मिलेंगे. एंड दीज आर very attractive for the tourists. These are very attractive for the tourists. Now student, next is caravans. So student, what is this? These are known as houses on wheels. These are known as houses on wheels. These are known as student houses on wheels. Okay, and when we are talking about these types of houses, see these types of why there is a need, क्यों जरूरत पड़ी इस टाइप के हाउसेस की? मे बी ड्यू टू स्कैरिसिटी ऑफ ए वाटर और फूड, और पीपल मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर इन सर्च ऑफ ए वर्क आल्सो. क्योंकि कोई काम करेंगे देन ओनली दे अर्न द मनी. ठीक है, तभी तो पैसा मिलेगा. और व्हेन दे अर्न मनी देन they buy the things and they can eat the food. So what is the need of these types of houses? That is due to maybe some scarcity of a, scarcity होता है किसी चीज की कमी, scarcity of a food, water or money, or you can say scarcity of these things. There is a need of these type of a houses. So in a village area, if you consider student in a village area, so how the village people make these types of houses, means houses on wheels. How the village people are using, village peoples, we are talking about the old time. In village people are using these houses with what we say then bullock cart. बैलगाड़ी हुआ करती थी. बैलगाड़ी आपने देखी आज की डेट में? नहीं देखी होगी तो कभी किसी विलेज में जाओगे. सो इन द ओल्ड टाइम हाउस ऑन व्हील्स आर बुलक कार्ट एंड हु दे यूज द बुल और इवन दे यूज द हॉर्सेस फॉर दैट. ठीक है, बट नाउ इन अ सिटीज एरिया in present in the cities area you will see that they are using the bus or van. Is it clear? So student, caravans are what? These are houses on wheels. Is it clear? What are caravans, student? These are houses on wheels. Now what is the need of these type of houses? Maybe due to scarcity of water or food, or maybe to do work and earn the money. So in when we are talking about the village area, so in a village people they use their houses on wheels are what? उनके हाउसेज ऑफ व्हील्स क्या थे? बैलगाड़ियां थी, बुलेट कार्ट, और इन्हें बुल से खींचते थे या तो दे यूजेस द हॉर्सेस. ओके, एंड इन अ सिटीज एरिया what they are using for houses on a wheels? They are using bus or van. In the cities area they are using bus or van. It is also shown in the book in this picture. See, now see, these all are, you can say, now next page number 55, open page number 55. Now student, we will discuss another type of houses, that is tents. Okay, so now we will discuss another type of houses, that is tent. These are also known as temporary houses. ओके, जो हमने आपसे हाउसेस डिस्कस किए थे, कच्चा हाउस, पक्का हाउस, दे ऑल आर परमानेंट हाउसेस. जैसे आप कहीं जाते हो तो अपना हाउस अपने संग उठा के ले जा सकते हो? नहीं ले जा सकते. इज इट क्लियर? सो दीज आर all that houses are permanent houses and these are temporary houses. ठीक है, ये permanent houses नहीं है, these are temporary houses. So another temporary houses you can discuss, that is a tent. Okay, and it is all of you see page number 55. A tent is made of a canvas. Okay, and it can fix and folded easily. It is movable and portable shelter. So these tents are made of a canvas. Okay, this is a cotton fabric. आप बोल सकते हो उसको कॉटन फैब्रिक और नाइलॉन. इज इट क्लियर? तो इनसे ये टेंट्स बनते हैं. एंड दीज आर वाटर प्रूफ ऑल्सो, जिससे कि कभी होता है ना, रेन हो गई या कुछ हो गई, तो इफ यू आर इनसाइड द टेंट, क्योंकि हाउसेज और ये जो टेम्परेरी हाउस है या परमानेंट हाउसेज, शेल्टर्स की जब हमने स्टार्टिंग में इन द बिगनिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द houses and shelter, then I explain you it's safe from you from the rain, heat of the sun. Is it clear? Cold. So these are made of a canvas cloth. Canvas cloth you can also say cotton fabric or with a nylon fabric. Okay, and these are also waterproof, so that the water does not enter inside the tent very easily with the help of a rope and sticks. ठीक है, रोप और स्टिक्स की हेल्प से आप इन हाउसेस को बहुत आसानी से टेंट लगा सकते हो. ठीक है, अनदर बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ हाउस इज दैट, क्योंकि आप स्टिक्स लगाओगे एंड आफ्टर दैट यू टाइड दैट स्टिक्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ द रोप. एंड इवन दीज टाइप्स ऑफ ए मूवेबल temporary houses are used by the person those who are climbing on the mountains. जो लोग माउंटेन में क्लाइंब करने जाते हैं, माउंटेन चढ़ते हैं, तो अब घर तो उठा के नहीं ना जा सकते अपने संग, तो they also use these tents. Even army persons also use these tents. So this is their temporary house. And you can easily, after using the tent, you can easily fold it also. Okay, so all this about these temporary houses. I hope you all are able to understand. Thank you student, have a nice day.